Hello everyone. So now we are going to start our new cloud training sessions from here. And in this video, I will be telling you how do we create a AWS free tier account. So you will have to click here on create free account. And then my email ID is already here. So click next. Your password, I have already put my password here. I already had my account, my root account. Now it is asking me to set up a multi-factor authentication here. I am choosing authentication app. So what you'll have to do, you will have to simply download some authentication app on your phone. So I got uh, I got Google Authenticator on my phone. So I am now going to scan this code. I got a code on my authenticator, first code and second code. Okay, so what you will have to do, you will get two sections there for two codes. So first you will have to put 6-digit code in the first box and then on the other box also, which will come just after the first code on your Google Authenticator. Click on continue, verify and continue. Okay, so I got my OTP. So only 2 rupees will be deducted here just to check if your card is valid or not. Okay, so it is done now. Confirm your identity. Academic, business. So we will be just checking others. Ownership, individual. So now here it will ask you some more details, and that what you will have to carry with you is your PAN card and a debit or a credit card. That will be enough. Okay, confirm your identity. Text, voice call. I am selecting text. Send SMS. Okay, so you will have to type this. It's so much dark. SCSGGP. Okay, submit. So I think now I'll be getting code on my phone. Yes, I got the code. And now we will be selecting basic support free. And you can see here what is included in this basic support. So now our sign up has been completed, and let's get to our management console. Okay, here we are. Personalize your experience. My role is uh, what whatever you can select as per your uh, profile. So I'm just selecting IT administrator, others, submit. You can go here, sign in to the console. So here your account is created for free on AWS, and further we will be creating EC2 free instance here in our next video. Thank you.